Hello and welcome back to Jacobication. Today we're going to talk about the math operators in Java. Addition, a plus b. Subtraction, a minus b. Multiplication, a star b. Division, a/b. Modulus, a%b. This returns the remainder of doing a divided by b. Integer division. The general rule when it comes to division, the largest type is the type the operation results in. Int divided by double results in double. Double divided by int results in double. Int divided by int results in int. This leads to a common mistake. 5 divided by 2 results in 2, as they're both ints. The result being an integer means the decimal part will be thrown out. Operator precedence. Plus, division, and modulus have the first precedence, and plus and minus have the second precedence. This determines the order that the math operators work in. You use the parentheses to change this order. The difference between equality and assignment. Equality checks if values are equal. Assignment assigns a value to a variable. A equals 2 is assignment, B equals 2 is assignment, A equals B is equality. Ciao.